Hello boys and girls, we're back with my other son. Today we're going to do some other bowling activities. First one is hand bowling. He has a ball and he found 10 water bottles that we are going to use. He's going to take the extra pins or bottles that are knocked down, move them to the side. He's going to go for a second try. His attempt would be a spare. Opposite foot, follow through. And he bowled a 6. So now we're going to transition to foot bowling. He has 10 more water balls set up. He's going to place the ball on the ground. Any ball or any sock, anything that you can use for a pin and a ball. Oh, he bowled a 5 so far. So he's going to move those extra ones that he knocked down to the side. He's going to get the ball. There's one more knocked down. He's given a second attempt. He's going to step, strike the ball, and good follow through.